Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at some iPhone 11 design leaks and rumors. For more awesome videos, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get started with this video. First off, there's been so many rumors already. So as you can see in this picture, we have the iPhone 11 with the camera. So honestly, we can't decide on which iPhone we will be potentially looking at. 4 camera lenses, one that's triangular, a full oval camera. At the bottom, there's another camera lens. For me, personally, I wouldn't be looking at the square lenses. So we are looking right here as the robot, I think. So I said the iPhone X and 11. Apple next generation iPhone, dubbed the iPhone 11, is over half a year away from release, but that hasn't stopped Apple analysts and supply chain sources from painting a picture. I mean, the square just doesn't look good on it. We just want something more casual, more trendy. I would say this one, just a whole square. It's taking up so much space on the iPhone. Release date, price, and specs rumors. So this is a website on macworld.co.uk. We look ahead to the new iPhone update for 2019, potentially called for the iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 as Roman numbers, and predict its release date, 2019. It's iPhone 11 rumors, price, specs, feature, and everything else we know. So we probably won't see Apple's next iPhone, possibly called the iPhone 11, until this fall. 2019 is already a dramatic, game-changing year for phones. Also about the 5G, the next generation cellular technology. It will go a lot faster than the 4G that we have right now, which promises to increase connectivity speeds by an order with magnitude of 2. The first phones with foldable displays have been announced and will launch later this year. We haven't heard anything about that. The prices has to be lower than, let's say, $2,000. I mean, it's way too much money to be buying on an iPhone. So many concepts, kind of wondering like what Apple would do. I mean, as I mentioned before with the pictures, we don't really know what the camera is going to be for the iPhone 11. Apple seems keen to tease its biggest iPhone plans. The company will be a lot less happy that this penny-pinching decision has leaked out. So also speaking to official accessory makers, acclaimed Japanese tech site Maka Takara has revealed Apple will ignore recent pledges about value and once again ship its new 2019 iPhones. And so as you can see right here, we have 1, 2, 3. There's 3 big circles. We have probably the flashlight and a small tiny camera at the bottom left. Comment down below if you guys want this design on the iPhone 11. I don't think this is a good idea for the iPhone 11. I would want it as the iPhone XS. The iPhone's but slowly charging. We have the USB-C to Lightning cable. iPhone 2019 rumors, release date, leaks, specs, and more. I'll also talk about the A12 Bionic chip, and they offer much improved cameras with features like Smart HDR. Okay, so we have the 3 right here. We have one with the flashlight in the middle. Here we have a circle in the center of the phone. Next one, we have almost the same thing but in a different color. So these are 3 potentially iPhone that will come up. Some cameras and not on 3 lenses. That's what I've talked. Stay focused on one particular thing, then going all at once. If they want the camera to look good quality, we have like the bokeh effect, we have flashlight clarity. They could just put that in just one thing instead of just putting it up in just a big square design. Phone will look like they are not that pretty. Yes, that's the thing, they are not that pretty. Fortunately, rendered leaked by someone called on leaks and posted to compare Raja featuring much better. Notch right here is the same as the iPhone XS. The Samsung Galaxy already released the iPhone S10 Plus and S10, and the hole punch is on the left, but as the wallpapers are like gradient, then you can't really see it. But on this, I mean, the notch is the same. I don't know if they're going to lower the notch or not. So, okay, right here, a notch with a twist. Most reports suggest that Apple won't change its iPhone design much in 2019, and that would suggest the company will keep the same notch design introduced with the iPhone 10 in 2017. The 3D touch. Another thing about this is we haven't heard very much about how Apple plans to improve battery life in this year's iPhone. Not good, you know. This one didn't seem like much of a stretch, but a new report indicates that Apple will stick with Lightning this year despite switching to USB-C for the 2018 iPod. Okay, so the thing is, we don't really know when the iPhone 11 is going to release, but we know that there's going to be, we know that the iPhone 11 is going to come. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos coming up. Bye.